Who screams the loudest during a Brazilian waxing? Today we're gonna answer that question once and for all. If you don't know what a Brazilian wax is, it's when all the hair is removed from the front and back of a man's groin area. There are three main reasons why someone might scream during this type of procedure. One is because they're in pain. The second is because they're having a psychological distress reaction to what's happening. And three, simply because they have a low pain threshold. So let's take a look at which country has the loudest scream. First up, we have to go to the birthplace of Brazilian waxing itself, Brazil. In Brazil, there's a very relaxed attitude towards pain. This is likely due to their culture embracing things like capoeira, which is a martial art form that involves a lot of pain tolerance and control. There's even an expression in Portuguese that means to put up with, which is to take a beating. But does this relaxed attitude translate to the pain of a Brazilian wax? Well, no. A survey of 200 women in Sao Paulo found that nearly half of them screamed during the procedure. And the most common reason was not pain, but rather psychological distress. It seems that losing so much hair down there can be quite overwhelming for some people. Next, we need to head over to the United States. In the US, there's a huge range of different attitudes towards pain. Some people see pain as a challenge, while others just want to avoid it altogether. The best way to find out how Americans react to pain is by looking at the opioid crisis. So many Americans are willing to put up with the pain of a Brazilian wax. In fact, according to a survey of 1,000 women across the country, only 12% of them said they would scream during the procedure. This is much lower than the percentage of Brazilian women who screamed. The most common reason given by the American women for screaming was having a low pain threshold. Germany is known for its beer, its sausages, and its people's stoicism. German people are generally seen as being quite reserved and unemotional, even in the face of pain. For example, Germans drink their beer without making a fuss. They also eat their sausages with a minimal amount of complaint. So it shouldn't come as a surprise that German women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 8% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." Another Nordic country that's known for its stoic people is Finland. Finnish people are known for their ability to withstand cold temperatures without making a fuss. They also have a strong emphasis on personal freedom and autonomy. This may be one reason why Finnish women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 7% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." The Netherlands is another country with a reputation for being stoic. Dutch people are known for their directness and their ability to keep calm in difficult situations. For example, Dutch people are known for their love of cycling, which requires a certain level of concentration and control. It should come as no surprise that Dutch women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 6% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." The Spanish are known for their passion and their loud, expressive nature. It is not uncommon for Spaniards to make a lot of noise when they are excited or passionate about something. For example, Spaniards are known for their love of football, and they can get really loud and emotional when they're watching a game. So it might seem surprising that Spanish women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax than women from other countries. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 5% said that they would scream during the procedure. The most common reason given for screaming was, "I'm just a chicken shit." Italy is another country known for its passion and expressiveness. Italians are known for their love of food, wine, and family, and they're not afraid to show their emotions when it comes to these things. However, when it comes to pain tolerance, Italians are more stoic. This is likely due to their culture's emphasis on strength and endurance. For example, Italian men are known for their love of soccer, and they're not afraid to get physical on the field. Italian women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 4% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." The French are known for their love of luxury and pleasure. They're also known for their ability to enjoy the finer things in life. This may be one reason why French women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 3% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." Russia is known for its strong, resilient people. Russian women have been known to endure great hardship and pain without showing weakness. For example, Russian women have endured the hardships of living under communism and the difficulties of transitioning to a capitalist economy.
They've also been through 2 world wars and the Cold War. Russian women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax.
Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 2% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm just a chicken shit." Japan is known for its polite and reserved culture. Japanese people are taught from a young age to be respectful and to avoid drawing attention to themselves. This is one reason why Japanese women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, only 1% said that they would scream during the procedure. When asked why they would scream, the most common response was, "I'm too embarrassed to ask." China is known for its ancient and rich culture. Chinese people have a long history of being stoic and enduring pain without complaint. For example, Chinese medicine is based on the idea of balancing the flow of energy in the body and often involves painful procedures such as acupuncture. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed in China, 0% said that they would scream during a Brazilian wax. The country with the quietest screamers during Brazilian waxing is none other than Thailand. Thai people are known for their hospitality, friendliness, and ability to make those around them feel comfortable. This may be one reason why Thai women are less likely to scream during a Brazilian wax. Out of a sample of 100 women surveyed, 0% said that they would scream during the procedure. And now we have reached the end of our list. If you think we missed anything, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned something new. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.